purpose of this video is to describe how to measure your zero clearance fireplace opening so your glass doors fit perfectly every time. Now, a zero clearance fireplace is actually a metal box within a metal box. And there's an air insulation in between the two boxes that allow the outside edge of the outside metal box not to get too hot. Now, this fireplace is obviously zero clearance. You can see all of the black metal on it. But in most fireplaces, you can see enough black metal to determine that it's zero clearance. You'll also find in most zero clearance fireplaces, you'll see the manufacturer's label on the inside of the box. Similarly, you can look at the fire brick and you'll see this is an artificial fire brick as opposed to the mortared fire brick that you find in a masonry fireplace. So once you've determined you've got a zero clearance fireplace, then you need to determine what type of fit your door is going to have on that fireplace. And we have two types of fit. The first is an overlap fit door, where the door actually overlaps the outside of the fireplace. And you can see where we have an air gap milled into the fireplace door to help that insulating air. The second type of fit is an inside fit, where the door actually fits inside the fireplace. Regardless of the type of fit you choose, we still need accurate measurements to properly fit your door. Now, if we get the manufacturer and their model number, in most cases we have an extensive cross-reference list that will tell us exactly the door to put on that fireplace. On the outside chance that you don't have that, then what we need to do is actually measure your opening. Now, measuring for zero clearance fireplaces is really very easy. You simply need to measure the width of the opening, the height of the opening, and in most cases you're done. If, however, you have a situation like this, where you've got a recirculating fireplace and you want a Legend ZC Deluxe that actually covers up the louvers, then you also have to give the total height of the opening, the height from the top of the fireplace to the fascia, the height from the floor to the opening in the fireplace, and the total brick-to-brick width on the opening. I hope you found this video on measuring zero clearance openings for your glass doors helpful. If you have any questions about either measuring or installing your glass doors on fireplaces, please feel free to email or call us. Thank you very much for your attention.